Hello friends, welcome to some tutorial. In the last class we studied the relation between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. So today we are going to do some numerical on these relations. So let's start first numerical. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 5x plus 6 and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. So first we are doing the numerical. So write, if you have to write the step by step so that we get the maximum marks in the board class. So first off we have to write the given, what is given in the question, that is this equation is given in the questions, and we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So now find the zeros of the polynomial. So x square plus 5x plus 6. So how to find the zeros? So applying the splitting the middle term, so we have to split the middle term such that the product of splitting term is 6 and sum is 5. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So the product of 2 and 3 is 6 and sum is 5. So now x square plus 2x plus of 3x plus 6. Now taking common from this term x, so x plus 2, and now taking the common 3 from this term, so x plus 2. Now taking common x plus 2 in whole equation, so x plus 2 common, so only x and plus 3 left, so we get the two zeros. So x plus 2 is equal to 0. So first taking first term, and this is second term. Taking first term is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we get two zeros, that is minus 2 and from this minus 3. Now we have to verify what is the second question given in this question. Verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So we know the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of polynomial. So first relation is sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and second relation alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So now let us verify the relation. So alpha, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 3. Two roots. So put this alpha and beta in equation 1 and equation 2, that minus of 2 and this minus of 3 is equal to minus b by a. Now identify the value of a, b and c from the equation, this equation. So value of a is 1, value of b is plus 5 and value of c is plus 6. So now what is the value of b is plus 5 and what is the value of a is 1. So this become minus of 5 and minus of 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So so the first relation alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a is verified, and now verifying the second relation, this is product of roots, the minus of 2 into minus of 3 is equal to c by a. What is the value of c is 6 into 6 upon a. C upon a means 1. This value minus minus plus 6 is equal to 6. So now LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified the. Now we have to write the last statement if the RHS is equal to LHS. So hence verified that the zeros and the coefficient relationship in this way we have to write the answer of the questions in the board examinations. Now taking the another example which is basically based on the only alpha and beta